In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Payoneer account to Amazon KDP for receiving royalty payments directly via EFT. First, log in to your Payoneer account. Go to Get Paid, then Receiving Accounts. Here, you'll see your virtual bank accounts, like US or UK accounts. Select the one that matches the Amazon marketplace you're selling in and note down the routing number, account number, and bank name. Next, log in to Amazon KDP and navigate to Getting Paid under your account settings. In the Bank Account section, click Add Bank Account. Choose the country that matches your Payoneer virtual account, then enter the Payoneer routing number, account number, and bank name. Click Add Bank Account to save it. Finally, make sure each Amazon marketplace where you sell is set to use electronic funds transfer, or EFT, with the currency of your choice. Click Save to confirm your settings. Now, Amazon KDP will send your royalties directly to your Payoneer account, and you can easily withdraw the funds to your local bank. That's it. Connecting Payoneer to Amazon KDP is simple, secure, and fast. Like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.